Prabhu, my question was related to this subject-object thing you were mentioning, and you were mentioning that this sound is Krishna himself. When we are chanting, Krishna is personally present. So in ordinary affairs, if I am chanting some ordinary name, that person I remember, that person is not present on my tongue. So when I'm chanting Krishna's name, Krishna is personally present. So what does it mean? Does it mean that he is personally present in his Tribhanga form, Shyam Sundar form?
He is personally present means, start from the spiritual world. Krishna and his name are all absolute. Nothing can be separated from Krishna. They're all absolute. Because he is absolute. There are no two things inside Krishna's body or Krishna's self. There are no two things. Everything is one. In our body, our Atma is different. This is, Sharira is different. Because I am not the owner of my energy. It's given to me. When Krishna takes any Sharira, it is him only. It is come from him only. So there is no difference between Sharira and him. Correct? So Krishna is absolute. You have to understand. Beyond limits of time, space and substance. Then only he can be God, no? So if he wants, you cannot limit him to, okay, your substance is only this much. No. Krishna decides, you can be only there, you cannot be in this. You cannot become this body. You're limiting him. If he wishes, he can be. Right? Because it is all his energy only. It's only manifesting. He's already there. Within and without everything. He's already there. It's only an activity by which you install the deity. But even before the deity installation, he is there. He is within and without. When you do the deity installation, he decides to manifest. Correct? Similarly, you say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. He will manifest according to Ye tamam prapadyante tam satya bhajamiham. How you want me to be present? Krishna is present everywhere. But in a very special way, he is present to purify you when you chant. That is Nama Avatara. Nama Avatara's first reciprocation is to purify you. So he is present means he is present first to purify you by giving you association. Therefore, you have to touch him with your attention. You means soul. Soul can touch something only with attention. Tongue touching is not soul touching. So present, Krishna is present. This Krishna Tattva, if you understand, then Krishna Nama and Krishna in the spiritual world, Shuddha Nama in the spiritual world is Krishna himself. Shuddha Nama, when he enters the vibration, material energy is also his only. Material energy vibration, there also he becomes 100% if you have Shraddha. Just like if you have Shraddha that the deity is Krishna himself, Ye tamam prapadyante tam satya bhajamiham. You offer a garland to the deity, 100% no difference, it has gone into Krishna's neck. To receive that, he comes. If that much bhakti is there, he receives that. So there is a person, you are offering a garland, means there is a receiver there. He is receiving that worship. Similarly, attentively, 16 rounds as per Guru's instruction, when you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna is present to receive that service of chanting and hearing and to give you association.